Alright, hey guys, good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and you guys have probably heard this 100 times by now because I say it all the time. But we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, fam, we are not a buy or sell channel. Okay, we use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, and we then convert those pips into money, okay? So if you're going to be looking for someone to spoon feed you and to tell you to buy now and sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone to teach you about how these markets like to move, and of course if you want to learn the Forex profitable strategy live, then stick around because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Chop 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 session, you guys. Okay, so I should have started the stream maybe 10-15 minutes earlier, but missed a beautiful move on gold. I was setting up the stream as well, so I didn't get a chance to jump on it myself, but let me show you guys what we just missed on gold. Okay, so I think y'all should be able to see my screen. You'll see where the supply is marked. That's what we missed, okay? Really big move, and it's all good. It is what it is, but this would have been a nice break, retest, rejection, and a push to the upside. But it's all good. We look to catch the possible reversals. All right, let me just make a little switch up over here. Okay, let's change that to demand. I'm personally not going to be looking to buy this market for obvious reasons because of that volume. Let's start to see if we want to maybe create some lows coming back down, okay? The indices. Alright, so I have this marked out for us. We've got to see how it's going to play out, you guys. There's not too much happening. I'm going to be pretty straight up with y'all. It's pretty dead right now. But we'll try and see if we get some moves, okay? So we do have some orange folders releasing, which is why we're doing the session before market open to possibly capitalize on the orange folders that could be coming in. But let's see if they want to give it to us, okay? Let's look at that, okay? Watch for the impulse. Let's try to get that area. Okay, it's a small move. I realize it's a 10 pip move, but guys, it's one of those days, okay? We've got to pip and dip into these markets. We had an awesome London session today, you guys. Cash FX absolutely killed it. We had a lovely session. We weren't expecting the moves that we got. We even got the moves on the session, but we also, if you guys were still following up after, everything. Alright, the queen of nasty, when she says nasty sells, nasty freaking sells. Alright, and everything sold off. It was beautiful. I hope you guys were watching it. I hope you guys were able to trade it. I know Cash capitalized on it majorly. Okay, let's take a look at Goldie. Goldie's giving its continuations, you guys. Look at that. We break that, and you could still look to maybe push higher, okay? We've got that level that we could test out, no problem. Right up there. 65-ish? Yeah, 65, psychological 65. Right, so this is at 66. Let's see, maybe we test out something like that, okay? Very bullish on gold right now. Fucking hell, we missed this, you guys. We missed it. Watch for nasty. Alright, that looks like a nice possibility of a neckline break. Okay, one-on-ones, you guys should be seeing the neckline that I'm talking about right now. So it could be a nice quick pip and dip move, okay? Don't risk your bigger positions. Wait for the entry exit strategy to play out. Okay, and the dirty could possibly come back down to our daily support. I am seeing the beginning of a possible formation of a double bottom, maybe an inverse head and shoulders, but looks like a pretty bullish market to me, okay? But before we make that happen, we have to push down, test out that area, and then of course we'll see what they want to do in and around this area. But if they want to break down further, we have another nice level sitting right over here for about 30-35 pips, okay? So, well, 25 pips, so we can still try and bank on that. If not, we'll just wait for price to go back up and we'll catch the buys. Okay, so Nasty is trying, yo. Nasty is trying. I'm just going to set some alerts on gold. All right. Is anyone trading gold right now? Anyone in on the gold buys? Waiting for nasty. I'm not missed gold. Alert still. Okay. Okay. All right. They're selling off on nasty. All right. Gold will give us an alert. Look at that. We look to come back down into this area for Nasdaq. We are building some pretty solid demand right over here. Okay. Starting to look good, you guys. If you all want to test this out, see how the next 57 seconds want to play out, and let's see in the last 30 seconds, okay? Because the last 30 seconds is usually when they decide what exactly happens with the candle. So let's see how it wants to close, okay? I personally am not taking this, not till we close into our box. See what I mean? Last 30 seconds, that's usually when they wake it up, okay? So this is still an impulse. We could be picking up support from here. Okay, lovely. What do you mean by that, babe? Sorry, you guys, she just messaged me. Thank you. Okay, let's see. All right, I like the buys coming in there. That's where I like the buys. And we could have a nice target of maybe, let's aim to get 60, and then we'll push further. Okay, that's if they want to reverse back up. If not, they're just going to prime down and break down back to our 4-hour support, you guys. Okay, the RSI is definitely giving us an indication as well. But again, this is news, so let's see if they really want to have any sort of effect on the markets, okay? They break that, you could pip and dip out of this, okay? Just letting you all know. Okay, pretty dead news. I'm watching this, okay? If we get that pop, we're probably pushing down. I'm happy to pull out 10 pips from here, okay? If they want to give us that pop. Don't be greedy, you guys. Okay, it's not coming. It's not coming. Just wait for the candle to close. Fuck it. It doesn't matter. We don't need to be faked out by these markets in any way, okay? Wait for a candle to close. Let's see if we want to get any sort of continuations. Ooh, 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 look at that. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got in. I got in. Alright, I'm up by about 3 pips. 3 pips. I'm going to quickly change this to break even. 12669.4. Okay, I hit about the 4 pip mark and I changed it to break even, and I'm running now, you guys. I'm running by about 5 pips on this, so that's about 1400. It's in that range, okay? Let's see, I put myself in a risk-free position. That's what's most important, but they're freaking bleeding right now. Guys, as technical traders, we need to protect our capital. How do we do that? By putting ourselves in freaking risk-free positions. I'm running by 2300 on this trade. Beautiful sells coming in on nasty. Who's catching this with me? All right, 2400. Come on, I'm running by about 8 pips. Give me those 2 pips. Give me those 2 pips. I'm in a risk-free trade, okay? So it is what it is. If it wants to reverse on me, so be it. All right? W, did you guys take out your positions? Congratulations, all right? Did y'all book profits? I hope y'all booked profits on this. Because this could completely wick back up. I'm just letting y'all know. I've taken out partials myself, okay? But they're still trying to drop, all right? Come on, show me 10 pips. Show me 10 pips. Come on. Push. I'm watching it so closely right now, you guys. So I'm running by about 2200 on this, okay? I don't want to go below 15. That'll be a nice little Corolla position for me in and out of these markets, so I'd be happy. Okay, so I'm gonna have my stop loss at plus 5 pips now. Okay, I'm gonna trail my stop loss. This is another lesson for you guys. You all know what break-even stop losses are. Let's now talk about trailing stop losses. Okay, so I'm up by about 8-9 pips at 7 to 8 pips at this point. I'm now changing my stop loss from BE to plus 5 pips. Okay, and if this wants to keep moving further and further in our direction, I'll keep trailing my stop loss by 5 pips, because by doing that, I'm continuously securing my profits. Okay, so I'm not only putting myself in risk-free positions, but I'm also booking profits. Mill zone W, that's it, my man. There you go! I just hit 3 grand. I just hit 10 pips on this. 3,200. Come on, come on, come on. I'm pulling this out. Fuck it, you guys. Look at that beautiful move. All right, I pulled out 3,000 from this. I'm not being greedy. It is what it is. I completely liquidated my position. This could go down all the way, but I pulled out 10 pips. 10 pips, okay? A lot of you guys keep asking me that, Cram, you are an aggressive trader. You're a risky trader. But how is it that you always end in the profits? Because I apply these techniques. I try to put myself in risk-free positions. I respect the 10 pip strategy. I respect the strategy that me and my wife have worked over the past 5 years to come up with, all right? So look at the continuation on that. We didn't have a retest, but possible continuation coming into the 4H support, okay? And we came right back down over here, just like I said on the dirty. Let's look at, fuck gold, all right? Gold's chop. You don't want to buy that market, okay? Again, impulse candle over here. Is anyone still holding on to Nasty? If you guys are, book your freaking profits, okay? You don't want to regret it later. Just book your profits. Take it out. Yeah, so like I was saying, all right, y'all need to be working on these little things to be constantly profitable in these markets, okay? Once you figure out these little details, you're gonna find your trading going to excuse me, you're gonna find your trading going to the next level. Okay, look at this. The continuations are happening. I'm not even complaining right now that I didn't hold on to this. Okay, because what makes me money, what makes us money, is the fact that we respect a strategy. That's the only thing that stops us from gambling in these markets. And that's a very, very thin line, a very fine line between people that just gamble these markets and people that take calculated risks, okay? We like to take calculated risks, and we're able to do that because we have the money management in place. And this is what we try to teach you guys at Forex Trading. You know, we provide you guys with the analysis, we provide you guys with the strategy. Of course, on the one-on-ones, we also provide you guys with the risk management and money management. So we give you guys the package, but the physical art of taking trades, that skill needs to be practiced, okay? And you're the only one that can do it, because I promise you guys, at Forex Trading, we're never, ever, ever going to become a copy trade service, all right? We like to educate you guys. Forex changed our lives. We know the power it has to get things done, to turn someone's life around. We just want to be able to pass that on to you guys, okay? What a fucking move. I want to see more dubs in the freaking chat, okay? How many of you guys caught Nasty? Throw in a W. Then the analysis was on point. Everything was on point. We sold the market to get. Look at that. All right, look at that. They're coming back down. Guys, I'm telling you all from now, for market open, we're pushing bullish. Okay, so let these moves happen now. But trust me when I say this. You have the levels marked up. For market open, we're pushing fucking bullish. All right, so that's the impulse on the dirty. Solid move. Let's see if they want to close in the next 2.5 minutes. Okay. W. Okay, a couple of W's. We need to increase this number because I see I think there are at least 30 to 40 people over here right now. And is there a reason that you guys aren't trading these setups with us? W. Good. Okay. All right, impulsive candle still pushing on the Dow. You know what? I'm gonna get in on a little feeler. All right, $1 just to test it out. I made what I had to anyway, but I'm just testing this out. Okay. I strongly believe this is gonna go bullish, but these markets are being funky today. All right, so let's adapt to them. Again, it's $1. I'm gonna have my stop loss over here. If you guys are looking at it as well, have your stop loss up at that previous zone. Sorry, guys, excuse me. Okay, so have your stop loss up at the previous resistance, the hourly resistance now, and test it out. Okay. Fuck, gold still did it, man. I wish I'd started the stream just 5 minutes earlier. We'd have nice solid plays on gold right now. Okay, as we thought, they are picking up some support from here. Just jumped on the session and missed the move on Nasty by 5 minutes, not complaining. Cheers, B2, my man. It's all good. There'll always be another trade, okay? And if there's no other trade, there's always another day. Okay, like I said, alright, they could very, very possibly pick up support from here. Because I do believe that this is a bullish market, okay? This would have been a nice quick dip in, dip out sort of a move. A nice scalp. But it's all good, okay? They don't want to close it in our box. It's fine. I'm going to still have my stop loss over there and just get stopped out for how many pips is that? It's about 15 pips. That's $15 on my account. No biggie, okay? They didn't close in our box. All right, so the impulse, very, very close to our structure, very close to our break of structure, could potentially be another trap to fake out the retail traders in here, okay? I think we also had some Euro news that came out. I should have probably done EU for you guys. But to be honest, I don't trade too much EU. Okay, that break happens and they're pushing down. Nasty's continuations are happening as well. Anyone still in on Nasdaq? Anyone still trading this frickin' candle? Yes, waiting for 20 pips. Beautiful buff, my man. Cheers to that. The news was negative. Yep. You're in on gold. Okay, lovely. So we're creating lower lows on Nasty. And we're creating higher highs on gold. If anyone's in on these sells, that's the TP you're looking for, okay? If we break our current low, we could be coming into a 10 pip move. We do have some traffic, alright? If you guys are okay taking out 5 pips, then go ahead and knock yourselves out, okay? I'm gonna try and be trigger finger for this one. Okay, nothing yet. I don't think we're gonna get it, you guys. Really, this is a risky form of trading, okay? But the markets are just being stupid today, so sometimes we've got to think out of the box too, okay? It's not breaking the low. There you go. All right, it attempted to. Too quick. I couldn't get in on that, and rightfully so. You know what? Fuck it. I'm just gonna wait for price to break the 32308. I'm not gonna be part of these fake outs. Okay. It's not working. I don't want to do this. I will look to enter in trigger finger on sells when we break that area down there. If not, I'm just gonna wait for the buys. It is what it is. Look at the continuations on Nasdaq. What a fucking move, you guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Is anyone still in on Nasdaq? Yeah, which is why I feel we're gonna go bullish, babe. So annoyed I slept through. GBP, let's take a look at what GBP is doing. Beautiful. Alright, this is the top down from London, and look at that. Okay, listen, this was Cash's entry level for London, okay, right here. That, I don't even have to do the top down because she's done it, and these levels are her levels, okay? So we could look at another nice little entry sitting right there, okay? That's the same entry point that we had for London. Alright, and as you can see, her buys played out as well for the second time. Dirty. Trailing stop at 5 pips for Nasty. Lovely, man. Good stuff, okay? You've booked those 5 pips, and that's the way it needs to be, alright? And it's... there you go! Buff, my man. You get your 20 pips. Get the fuck out. Okay? Beautiful. Look at those continuations on Nasty. Damn it. I should have held my position, huh? But it's all good. It's all good. Guys, my feeler is now on break even because I do believe this market should start to possibly get its reversal now, and I'm not even holding my feeler for the $15. Okay, so that candle pushes up, and I'm out of the sells on the dirty. New candle just opened up. Okay, Nasty's going up for the retest. Look for Nasty to potentially retest the 4-hour now resistance. Also, my feeler on the dirty is still active because it hasn't hit my break-even stop loss, okay? So technically I'm still in on the trade. Okay, rejection. The only thing is, you guys, on Nasty, we have a 5 pip drop, and then we've got some serious fucking traffic. Okay? Just be mindful. Okay? If you wanna get in with bigger positions, wait to break the daily support, because ask yourself, is 5 pips gonna be worth risking your Lambo for? Out of those 5 pips, your spread's probably gonna be about 2 to 3 pips. Okay, so if you're able to pull out your position in 2 pips of profit, knock yourself out. Got my 20 pips back to phase 2. Congratulations, my man. I wish I had some streaming controls right now. I'd put like a little clap sound for you. I'm so happy for you, my man. Finally. Keep at it, alright? Keep at it, buddy. Okay? Guys, we're building. We're clearly building into demand over here. Okay, I'm not even going to throw on a box of demand. It's very obvious. Let's look for our buys coming in, potentially maybe in this region now. Okay, let me fix this up just a little bit. Perfect. Okay, so let's look to get into potential buys up there. Okay, guys, liquidate Nasdaq as well. Look at this. Okay, these are major moves. The bear. Okay, my one-on-ones. Are you guys seeing anything over here that y'all would like to point out? What do y'all think this market is gonna do? We have our structure marked out. We have our zones marked out. But what are you guys seeing happen right now? What's the bias? Come on, you guys. I'm watching the chat. Okay, beautifully picked up support from our same area. Yep, on Nasdaq. On Nasdaq. bullish than bearish? Well, technically you could be right, but I was asking more in terms of technicals, chart patterns. What are you guys seeing? Good, good, Alika. All right, so a lot of this right now is pointing in towards, let me show you what I mean, okay? We could have potentially something like that play out. So even though the overall momentum could be bearish, we could still have that potentially happen. Even within this, we have confirmation within confirmation. All right, break, retest, push to the downside. Nice neckline over there. We had a little bit of a fake out over here to build our first leg of our head and shoulders. But if I had to draw this out right now, that basically could be the bigger move for market open, okay? That being said, we could go all the way back up too, but yes, the overall, on this break of structure down here, we could be bearish, but until then, we're not, okay? There's a little bit of supply coming in there that I like to cross over before the buy step in. Okay, let's try to get that move, guys. Let's take a look at gold. Fuck it, I'm not trading gold, okay? Gold's super bullish right now, but I'm not trading this shit. Not happening. Okay, we're at 85. It's not worth it for me. If anyone's still holding on to nasty, this is for you guys, okay? Let's see, maybe we get some momentum moving into the early swap in the next 10 minutes. Gold tanked. No, it didn't tank, buddy. You're new. Alright, stick around, and I'm sure everything will start to make more sense to you. Okay, I'm starting to like dirty, you guys. Starting to like this setup. Let's take a look at GU. Look at that! Cash, my gorgeous, lovely wife. Looking at these levels makes me fall in love with you all over again, babe. I love that. I love that. Look at that. Beautiful play, and we are fucking tumbling to TP again. Again, alright? Beautiful. Look at that. This top down is about 6 hours old by now. But you see how price still respects structure. This is why the levels could play out even later. They could play out earlier. It really doesn't matter. It could happen on the stream, off the stream. But the opportunities that we share with you guys, we always share BOS or break of structure opportunities for y'all. All right, and we use price action to basically just navigate our way towards that break of structure. Okay, so this is a key example for that. All right, we have an impulse. Let's break this down. We have an impulse, we have the retest up there, and then you have the rejection, break of previous structure, boom, fat volumized candle, and it's still fucking dropping. Sorry, babe, I'm gonna count this one for the New York trades, okay? Need to get on a London sesh, yes sir. Okay, so we still have the seller stepping in every now and then, but we're not gonna get caught in this nonsense. Okay, we're just gonna wait. We're gonna wait. We're gonna be patient, and we're gonna wait. Beautiful. Is anyone trading GU by any chance? I know Kolama is trading ETH, but anyone else? ETH. I just said ETH. I know Kolama is trading GU, but anyone else? No. Yeah. I wish I would have gotten in this as well. That looks like it's the best move so far. No, well, Nasty gave us something as well. Waiting for market open now. Yeah, we have market open in about the next 37 minutes. Okay, but maybe we get a little bit of a move on the RD swap as well. Alright, which is going to happen in the next 7 minutes. I'm done with my daily target. Not going to trade anymore. Good job, baby. Okay, y'all see these wicks, guys? Super, super, super choppy. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that break. Lovely. Literally, these candles, it's covered the past couple of hours just with these three. It's pretty intense. What a move. What trades are you guys in right now? Is anyone in anything, or are you guys just watching? Guys, I'm getting into a little bit of a dirty feeler buy. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try and catch the lows. Fuck it. It's just a little bit of a feeler. Okay. $1, and it's a buy for me. Let's take a look at gold. Yep, based off of this, let's look at this level on gold. If the potential reversals want to come in, okay? Okay. Let's see if something like that wants to maybe start to come in on gold. So we stop. Okay. Finally, some volume stepping in. Let's see. Okay, we've got about 4 more minutes to the early swap. DAX moves better during London. Yeah, 100%. DAX is much more polite than DJ. Yeah, that's because it moves, it's less volumized for New York, which is why it's a little more polite. The Dow Jones, it's got the pips, you guys. If you're able to pip and dip with the Dow, a 10 pip move could happen really, really quick for you guys. If you like the slow movement, Kolama, what I would recommend you do is trade DAX on London, and instead for New York try to trade the S&P. Trade the S&P 500 because that moves. It's very similar to Nasty. So if we have one of these analysis done, one of these will align up with S&P. All right. So you'll definitely be able to apply the same analysis on there with the buys, sells, and the boxes, and it moves very, very slow. All right, so if we have a 100 pip move on the dirty, that would be a 50 pip move on nasty, and that would probably be like a 10 pip move on the S&P. Okay, buyers are stepping in on nasty. So what I meant, okay, we got the move is done. Let's see how they want to play out in the next minute and a half. Pretty slow day today, you guys, but again, we thought that yesterday as well, and thanks to you guys, my funded, well, not my funded account, my individual account was up by 10,000, okay, and that's all thanks to you guys, because I wasn't going to trade yesterday. I put on that poll, you guys made me come on to the session, and it was a very, very profitable day. So it's all good. If today has to be slow, it is what it is, and I'm not going to complain, but maybe we start to get some momentum kick in, all right? Is anyone still on the sells for the indices? Slow, but we still get our pips? Absolutely, Alika, 100%. Guys, is anyone still on the sells? I'm guessing not. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, this is the hourly swap. Let's see, you guys. Alright, so we just had some USD news come out. Low impact news. But it's negative news. Okay. We have back-to-back negative news coming out, even though it's just green folders. Okay, but then we also have... Alright, so we have mixed news, okay? Got some good, some bad. Okay. Some medium, alright? Sorry, I'm just getting back-to-back notifications with for the news. So, all right. So we have mixed news. We had some medium. We had some orange folders and some green folders, and it's mixed news. Okay. Thanks for that, Rapid. Let's see. All right. We start a close here. We can make our move. Nice. About 20-25 pips to the downside. Let's just throw on an alert over here. And let's watch for Goldie to make a potential move. Ooh, the dirty is starting to get some volume. There you go. Fucking hell. What do we watch? What do we watch? I'm not gonna lie, I want to do the dirty, but gold may be giving it as well. There you go. Alright, the dirty it is. Okay, so my buy feeler is in. Oh, there you go, Goldie. All right, Rapid. Impulse, okay? I hope you're only in on a feeler. Okay, so the Ali is definitely bringing in some momentum. I like that coming in on Nas on the dirty. Okay, that's still an impulse on gold, you guys. Please, don't go crazy with these, okay? Look at that nice, solid, engulfing volume coming in. Am I muted? Guys, am I muted? Can you all hear me? Guys? Cash? Y'all can hear me, right? Okay, good. Still on gold. Let's see, you guys. We need to break that fucking level, okay? But gold's looking good. If they close, hold, retest, reject, the gold trade could still be good. Okay, so I am looking at the RSI on the dirty on my MetaTrader, and we're sitting right at the 9. We close above the 9 and we could still get that move, okay? And if they don't close up there, you guys, then this is probably going to be a market open move. Can't hear as well? What's going on? Mill zone. Alright, should I... Okay. Alright, do you guys hear me now? Okay, cool. I'm gonna share my screen again, give me a second. That's weird, some of y'all could hear me and some couldn't. Gold, 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 still trying. Okay, let's watch gold rapid. I think your trade's gonna play out. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Should we get in on gold feelers, you guys? Let's see the last 50 seconds. A gold feeler is not such a bad idea, right? Just a feeler, okay? And maybe they don't close this in our box. If they don't, then we don't want to get caught in a bad position, okay? So a little gold dollar position. Yes, I'm talking. Yeah. Guys, do y'all hear me? Nope. I'm not muted. That's fucking weird. What's going on? I can on both my screens. Private session, can't hear. Watch for gold. Hello, hello. I even see the green box, like the green light signal around my screen, so I have no idea what's going on. If you guys can type and just tell them that I'm in on gold, alright, I'm testing out gold to break the highs. Can you guys hear me now? I hope y'all can. Do y'all hear me, guys? Okay, y'all hear me now? Mill zone. I'm in on gold, by the way, you guys. I'm in on gold. Okay, I'm running by about 3-4 pips on gold right now. I want to change this to break even really quick. 61.94, 961.94. I'm in a break even trade on gold. Okay, I'm in a break even trade. And I got in right at the rejection coming in over there. And it's running, you guys. Fucking running. I'm up by 1,800 on gold. 1,800 on gold. 2,000 on gold. Can you guys hear me? 2 grand on gold, and I'm in on a risk-free position. Cash, do y'all hear me, guys? Okay, good. 1,700. I'm up by 2 grand. If I see 3K on this, I'm going to pull it out as well. Alright, let's do this. Let's fucking break. Let's test out that demand zone, alright? I want to get that move. I am in a risk-free position. Okay, I'm up by about $1,000 at this point. Let's see. One of two things will happen, okay? Either I get stopped out, or I get my pips, okay? Alright, I'm pretty much at break even right now. Just roundabout there, I'm running by $500. There you go. 1,000, okay, come on, give it to us, gold. Guys, I have no idea what the fuck is going on with this. It's Discord. It's some of y'all can hear me, some of y'all can't. It's Discord, okay? Y'all still can't hear me? Babe, how is it that only you can? Isn't this weird? Only the Indians can hear me. हिंदी विंदी में बात करे क्या? गाली वाली बकते हैं. Literally, why can only the Indians hear me? I'm serious. Everyone that has replied now, all of y'all are Indian. This is fucking weird. Oh, Bhanchod. Modi. It's fucking weird. What the fuck is going on? Seriously, what is going on? All of you guys, literally all of you guys that are hearing me right now are from India. What is going on? Oh, fucking hell. Okay, but the move played out. The move played out. Good stuff. Okay. This is funny. Oh, thank you, guys. What the fuck is going on? This is very weird. Let's see. An impulse could push up here, and then maybe, let me draw it out for them so they can see it as well. Maybe we go boom, boom, and boom. Okay? What the fuck is going on with Discord today, you guys? This is fucking pathetic. I'm not kidding. Dirty is flirting. For real, since you guys can hear me, तुम लोग कहाँ से हो? मतलब सच में सिर्फ इंडियंस को ही आवाज आ रही है. बहुत अजीब सा लग रहा है. But where are you guys from? कोई बॉम्बे का है यहाँ पे? हाँ बेबी, सच में मजाक नहीं कर रहा मैं. नहीं तो कोई तो अभी बोलता ना कि तुम लोग क्या बोल रहे हो. है कि नहीं? सच में बोल रहा हूँ यार. मैं इतनी हिंदी में अभी बात कर रहा हूँ. अगर किसी को भी अभी सुनाई दे रहा था, बंदा कोई पूछता नहीं कि तुम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हो, अंग्रेजी में क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे. पूछता ना, कोई तो पूछता. दिस इज आर यू गाइज एबल टू हियर मी? Buff, are you able to hear me? Okay, I'm seeing people type now, so maybe they can. Oh, look at that. Dirty. I don't think they can. Ajeeb hai. Right shoulder on nasty forming exactly how Cram drew it up. Let's react to that so he knows. Beautiful. Let's see. Okay. यार मेरे भारतवासी को यहाँ पे ज़रा मैसेज करके बता दो यार कि उन लोगों को आवाज़, पता नहीं क्यों लेकिन उन लोगों को आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा है. ऐसा मत बोलो कि सिर्फ इंडियंस को आ रहा है. पता नहीं क्या सोच के बैठ जाएंगे. ठीक है. तो हाँ, बस ऐसे ही बोल दे कि मतलब नहीं, पता नहीं यार, तुम लोग को नहीं आ रही आवाज़. बोल दो कुछ भी. Sorry, just looking at This is so fucking weird though. What is going on? um Showed market open भी 15 मिनट में कहाँ अटक गए. If gold push backs to resistance and fails, do we expect a pullback? If gold pushed back to resistance, if gold pushed back to resistance and then failed, can we क्या बोल रहे हैं? Do we expect a pullback again? This area, yeah. If it fails, yes, but पेंशोद कैसे समझाओगी मैं इसको? It's 500 a month to take cram off mute. Lovely. Lovely. That's the wicks on dirty. Yeah, these wicks on dirty, they're this is a good sign. तो ये basically हमें यही दिखाता है कि जो sellers है exhaust हो चुके हैं, क्योंकि ये इतने सारे wicks अगर ऊपर की तरफ आ रहे हैं तो मतलब buyers are stepping into the market. यहाँ पे बहुत clearly हम लोग ने ऐसा demand create कर लिया है. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग एक box डाल भी देंगे तो demand basically हमें क्या दिखाता है? यही दिखाता है कि वहाँ पे orders बैठे हुए हैं, है ना? वहाँ पे प्राइस वहाँ पे जाएगी और लोगों के जो ऑर्डर्स है वो एक्टिवेट हो जाएंगे, क्योंकि सिर्फ हिंदी वाले, हाँ शोइंग ऑफ तो कर ही रहा हूँ, बट बेबी यार ऐसा मत बोल इन लोग के सामने यार, इन लोग को लगेगा कि मैं ऐसा बुरा बुरा बोल रहा हूँ उनके बारे में यार, ऐसा मत बोल बेबी, सच में. लेकिन हिंदी में ऐसा करने का अलग ही मज़ा है. झूठ नहीं बोलूँगा. Okay. Can you guys hear me? Should I? Nope. बहुत अजीब है यार. What is that? Okay. ये मेरे को. This looks good. I won't lie. Very, very overbought. So, this possibility down here. Let's aim to break. If we break. कैसे यार? Okay. Hmm? Shall we try? No idea. हाँ ठीक है. Guys, do y'all hear me now? Do y'all hear me? Y'all can hear me? What the fuck is going on? That was fucking ridiculous. Millzone. The weirdest fucking thing happened, man. Literally, I'm not kidding you guys. I am not kidding. The only ones that could hear me were Indians. I'm not even fucking. I'm not exaggerating, man. The only ones that could hear me were Indian. It's absolutely fucking ridiculous. And the reason I know that is because I spoke Hindi for 10 minutes straight and no one said, "What the fuck are you talking?" No one. Fucking weird. Okay, anyway, you guys hear me now and that's it's all good. Um yeah, we'll test that out again after the session. Mills and we'll see what's happening. Okay, so let me share my screen with you guys. Give me a second. Okay. And hopefully you guys are able to see my screen. Are y'all? Okay, good, good, good. One of you guys make sure to go on to I think we had a lot of people leave because of it, but just make sure that y'all go on to wherever the fuck we were before this and just tell people to join um, this voice chat. I think there are still like 13 people sitting on the previous. You guys get it. Okay. So we're not getting any movement as such. We do have about 9 more minutes to market open. All right, look at that. We spoke about something like this happening, and it could be playing out right now. Okay, it could absolutely be playing out right now. Supply coming in right over there. So if we start to break up from here, okay, if we start to break up from here, we could possibly go up to maybe test out that area. Okay, and if we happen to break down from here, we're then looking to maybe push down and get some more out of this trade. We want to see though, okay? I'm not putting a box of supply up here because you guys understand it. Excuse me. Hearing I'm running gets my blood pumping. Okay, Goldilocks starting to push right back up. All the way to maybe test that. We can get rid of this now. I still say fuck Discord, but it's okay to get rid of that now. Okay, so we have about 8 more minutes to market open. I'm glad that you guys can hear me loud and clear now, and let's hope we catch something on market open. Okay, you guys, it's been pretty slow. I'm so glad that this wasn't NFP or FOMC or something of that sort because it would have been fucking horrible. But it's good that this happened on a slow day. Goldilocks, I'm not gonna lie, I still look at that, right? The cells still look good on gold, okay? I do think that move and even potentially that move to 55, where this rally really started, I feel like that move could be coming. Now, my only concern with this, you guys, is that maybe to get the bigger move on market open, we could have a pop to the upside, right? So we could go, boom, right? Nice volumized candle pushing up, and then maybe come back down and then break. Okay, so that is a possibility. Nasty, babe. It all depends on how we react to our daily. Okay, so if you want to pip and dip for 10 pips, this is good. All right, but we really need to see how we want to come in over here. All right, babe. So let's try to gauge what the daily support wants to tell us. Okay, let's take a quick look at the early. Indecision on the early. They're picking up support. Okay, the early is picking up a lot of demand, so this demand box applies on our daily as well. Lots of buyers sitting in this zone. Okay, so in order for us to get any sells, we want to make sure that we break past those buyers that are sitting here. Okay, which is why I say that the continued sells are only going to happen if we push down there, and we very possibly could. Okay. Gold starting to come back down with volume. What do you guys want me to look at for market open? I personally want to look at the indices. What do you guys want to do for market open? I just don't want to get caught in gold's dirty trades. Dirty. Come on, you guys. Let's make this just a little more interactive. All right. So if you guys could please type it out and let me know what you all want to see. It really doesn't matter to me because I'm still going to trade what I want to trade off of my phone, but the chart's for you guys, so y'all let me know. Dirty. All right, so the indices, okay. Look at that. We're coming into a nice strong trend line over here as well. All right. We're also weirdly coming into bearish divergence. All right, so these sells could actually still push, you guys. Sells could still very well happen. Okay, but we'll see this when we start to break our 308 area. Guys, that's starting to look like a nice little double bottom. Did anyone manage to bank on these sells again from our entry point? Did anyone manage to re-enter this trade? Nope. Okay. All right, so nicely picking up some support from our trend line. Let's have this there. Let's get rid of that. And guys, if we break past here, we're going back up to test our daily resistance. Okay, now we may get rejected over there to come back down, but don't get in on big positions because we could absolutely go back up to fill that zone. Okay, anyone in any sort of feelers or anything of that sort? I'm in on a little dirty buy feeler. Okay, it's in drawdown right now. It's in about 10 pips drawdown. All right, but I'm just in a little bit of a feeler. Guys, listen, make sure your feeler is really small because this could absolutely come down, okay? If you're not in on a feeler and you guys end up losing for market open, that's on you, all right? Money management is a big part of this game, and if you're in on a feeler, it shouldn't hurt your account. You shouldn't be breathing heavy, okay? But if you're not in on a feeler, it's probably going to be pretty bad for your account, okay? So just take it easy. Take it easy, and let's see how they want to do it, all right? Yes, all my trades are feelers at the moment. Good. Okay, we've got about 58 minutes to go. Let's get a nice juicy move off of the dirty, and then we'll call it a session, okay? Let's see, you guys. This week, I just feel a little out of it. No, the thing is, these markets are very, very choppy this week. We've had only 58 minutes. What, babe? Yeah, so we've had only chop sessions so far. It's been only 2 days, and both have been choppy. So that's probably why you're feeling that way. But it's all good. It's all good. Not every day is going to be crazy in these markets, okay? And we need to realize that not every day is going to be. Okay, let's put it this way. These markets, they don't owe us anything, right? So not every day are the markets going to give us 10,000, 20,000, 100, whatever your profit target is, okay? But with risk management and with money management, you're able to navigate through tough markets and still make your profit targets, right? So when you guys start to realize that, that's when you're really going to have the switch come into your trading, and that's when you're really going to start to see exponential profits in your trading, okay? So money management is everything. Even in shitty markets, with the right money management, you could hit your profit targets. Okay, I've just set up a little order, all right, for the buys up here, right there. Okay, let's see if they want to give it to us. Okay, so this is market open. In the next 20 seconds, you guys, let's have a good one. Please, 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 please don't risk more than 1%. Okay, if I get triggered, it's going to be a fat one, and I look forward to potentially banking on this. All right, so this is market open, you guys, in the next 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, so they come down. There you go. They're trying to push. I got triggered in. I'm triggered in, and I'm running. All right, I'm up by about 300-400 at this point, still dancing around. I'm gonna try to find a chance to change this to break even real quick, because I'm not liking this movement right now. Okay, there you go. They're coming down to retest. Let's see if they want to hold and then push back up. Okay, I'm at about break even right now. Guys, I'm literally, I have my finger on the trigger. I kid you all not, okay? If this starts to go against, like it is now, I'm getting stopped out. It's as simple as that. Okay? They're not respecting it. I'm out of this trade, you guys. I took an L on that, and it was a Corolla for me. So yes, I took an L on that, and it is what it is. It's fine, all right? I lost about 15 pips. All right, 15 pips on... Okay, that's not so bad. That's $750. All right, that's a $750 loss for me, and I am also only human, you guys. These things happen to me as well, okay? It is what it is. Let's now wait for a minute. We don't want to get caught into these fake outs. I know these buys are going to happen, so I'm going to find a nice opportunity to get right back in. Stopped out. That was emotional. That's fine, buddy. It's fine. Bro can actually lose trades. Of course, man. Of course. I'm only human as well. Okay, let's see. I'm liking that. Got a few pips on DJ. Good stuff. Nasdaq. Watch out, alright? If the sells want to come in, y'all know where it's at. Alright, so there you go. Nasty is selling. Look at that. Watch out if you guys are getting in. Look at these markets. They're very, very, very choppy. Please be mindful and be careful, okay? I'm going to have my order sitting at the same place that it was earlier. I am going to try to be trigger finger on this, but I just don't want to get caught into anything, alright? I don't want to get caught into anything dirty. Okay, anyone trading nasty right now? Beautiful moves coming in on Nasdaq. Fucking hell, I should have been in on that. Babe, weren't you done trading for the day? Oh, look at that. I should have been in on Nasdaq, huh? Okay, now the pressure is really coming in. Guys, I'm going to stop looking at Nasdaq. I'm going to stop looking at the dirty if we break past 3 to 308. It's just that I've traded these setups so many times that I know that this is just the last leg to fake them out. I truly, truly believe based off of price action, this market should come up. It may not happen now, it may happen later, and I'm just going to be a little more conservative because I've already had a Corolla that went against me today. Okay, so I'm just going to take it easy, but I am watching this. And if we happen to break 32,308, I'm going to stop looking at the dirty because this is a very, very manipulated market. But look at fucking Nasty. Who's banking on Nasdaq right now? I should have been in on Nasdaq with you guys. W on Nas, WWW, awesome. I hope you made back your pips on that one, buddy. Lovely. Okay, I'm gonna watch for the next 1 minute to see how this candle closes, and then maybe we can try to get on some rejections, okay? There you go. Oh, look at that fucking drop. Ugh, finally. That could be coming in as well. Let's see, you guys. There you go. Come on, boom. Push, push. Let's fucking get it. Alright, I'm triggered in again, and I'm running by about 1 pip at this point. Alright, and again, I've gotten in with a very small position because I don't want to be faked out, but now this is where I'd be looking to get in, okay? If we break that high, then I'm getting in. And watch for the continuations on this, okay? Boom! That's it. Alright, and I am... There you go. I'm in on this. All right, I'm running by about $300, $400 right now. Boom, there you go. We're pushing, you guys. 4,000. I'm up by 4 grand. I'm going to quickly change this to break even. I don't want to play with this, okay? 32434. I'm in on a break-even trade, and I am running by 8,000 on this trade. 6,600 and 2,200. I have 2 positions. We've hit TP. Who caught the dirty with me? Show it. Show me some love. Who caught that with me? 70. Okay, so I just closed out 6,900 on one position, 2,000 on my second position, and $33 on my feeler position. Who caught that with me? Dirty W's? Come on, you guys. Come on. We waited for this to happen. It played out beautifully. All right. Impulse, close, retest, rejection, break of previous structure. And your break of previous structure gave you a nice 17 pip move. All right. And Nasty, of course. Nasty is a beautiful play. It's still happening. But, guys, I was honestly a little pissed. Okay. Millzone. Mark this. Today was one of those days again. I had another loss today. Okay. For me, the losses don't matter in terms of money, all right? So I never find myself in the positions where I'm losing 10, 20, 30,000. That just doesn't happen because I have my money management right, correct? But a loss is a loss. For me, it doesn't matter if it's a Corolla. I was down by 750, and somewhere that was pinching me, okay? A lot of you guys might have heard that as well. But guys, the only way you can be successful in these markets is by being disciplined. I stuck with it. I stuck with my setup. I could have gotten fooled by, well, not fooled by Nasdaq. This would actually be a really good move, but I knew that I was right when it came to this, which is why I had to make my money back on this, and I did. All right, and let me tell you guys how much I made on this trade right now. I made $6,600, $2,032. All right, so that's $86.32 on this one trade, and I'm happy. Look at fucking Nasdaq. Who the fuck is trading Nasdaq right now? Who the fuck is trading Nasdaq? Beautiful. 10 pips only, buddy. It's all good. We've spoken about this on the one-on-ones, okay? You know 10 pips is good. You don't need to stress. Trust me, people find it hard to even pull out 5 pips or 2 pips or 3 pips. 10 pips, you're in a very, very, very good spot. Just print it on gold. Lovely. Guys, listen. We do this every single day for y'all, okay? And now not once, but twice. We do this twice a day. We do London Market Open and we do New York Market Open. What do we ask you guys in return? We do this as a free service for the community, for y'all. All we ask from you guys are Twitter posts. All right, make sure you put on a post on Twitter for us. It doesn't matter if you're paper trading, it doesn't matter if you're live trading, it doesn't matter if you're just spectating, you guys. As long as you're getting some value out of these sessions, as long as you just like us, you know, Cash, myself, Millzone, Forex, Project, Whitelist, as long as you just like us, go ahead and put on a post for us, okay? Because everything we're doing right now is organic, and it mean the world to us if you could spread the word or just help us spread the word by a little bit, okay? It doesn't cost you guys any money to make any sort of Twitter posts, so make sure to just go ahead and do that, okay? And tag Cram, Cash, Project, Whitelist, and Millzone, okay, you guys? So this was an awesome session, okay? But before I close it, one spot still... Oh, babe, the spot didn't get taken, right? From this morning? Did the spot get taken, or do we still have it open? One sec, Cash is going to let me know in a second. It's not open. Okay, so it seems like the spot has been taken. Inquiries running. Okay, so if inquiries are running, it means that the spot's still open. All right, it's that simple. Till we don't get confirmation. Raul, yes, buddy, I will. Okay. Till we don't get confirmation, those are just inquiries. Okay. So listen, we have one more spot open. I'm not gonna be doing the one-on-ones for too long, guys. Trust me, there's a bit too much of work when it comes to forex, and I have my mind on doing other things. Okay. So this is something that's gonna last maybe till it lasts. And I'm not looking to do it for more than a couple of months. We have about one intake a week starting from next week. That's about it. So the people that are going to come on the one-on-ones, it's going to be very, very, very limited moving forward, because I'm not going to be doing this for too much longer. All right, so if you guys want to get booked in, make sure to message me or message Cash, and we'll get you guys booked in. All right, and listen, guys, if y'all are asking, please just ask if you're serious. Okay, we spend a lot of time doing this. And if you absolutely are interested in it, then ask. Try and not waste our time or your time by asking us 100 things and then saying, okay, I'll let you know later. Because listen, time is money, all right? And what we do here is we print fucking money, okay? So listen, like I keep saying every single time, we're building an army of millionaires, okay? If you want to hop on and do your due diligence and just get started with us, then stop being lazy, go on to Forex Academy, open up the videos, get started. Alright, if that's not enough for you, and if you want to take things to the next level in your trading career, speak to us, get enrolled in the one-on-ones. You guys don't believe me? Ask anyone. I have 100+ people on the one-on-ones right now. They will all tell you how undervalued these sessions are, okay? Because we're not doing it for the money. We're doing it to spread what we have built. It's to spread mine and my wife's life's work so far. All right, so guys, I really appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. Today was an awesome session. Tomorrow, we're doing London tomorrow again. We had a great turn up for London today. We had 20+ people, which is awesome. And I hope that we also have people that come on tomorrow. London's going to do that, and we'll hopefully have a really good New York session as well. But this was today's session, you guys. Thank you so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, wherever it is, wherever you are. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for London. All right, take it easy, guys. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, fam.